Like, subscribe, and get notified.
And I'm Prajwal Sakradandi. Press conference हाजे खातीर घेतले to create awareness about this monument. ह्या मोन्युमेंटाक locally गुळो म्हणटात because it is crowned by a ball finial म्हणून ताका गुळो म्हणटात and it is located on the highway linking road from Panjim to Mapsa next to Okokero. Okay, so आता ते flyover construct करतले. We are not opposed to the flyover because flyover is the need of the hour. Flyover is needed, but while they are constructing it, we are requesting the concerned authorities to save this Gulo, this monument. It's a historical monument. It was originally built in 1910, renovated in 1935, and it was built by the Serula Comunidad, which was the biggest comunidad in Goa. And it was built to commemorate the construction of a road linking Panjim with Mapsa during Portuguese times, and it was inaugurated originally on 25th November 1910, which was 400 years of the conquest of Goa by the Portuguese. So then in 1935 it was renovated, and there is an inscription on it which says that which talks about the history of this monument. And हो गुळो लोकली हाका गुळो म्हणटात आनी तो वाचून दवरपाक जाय. इट हॅज टू बी सेव्ड बिकॉज वायल कंस्ट्रक्टिंग द फ्लायओवर दे मायट ओवरलूक इट, अँड दॅट इज वाय जस्ट टू क्रिएट दॅट अवेरनेस दॅट दीस मोन्युमेंट नीड्स टू बी सेव्ड. ताज्या खातीर वी आर मिटींग हियर. सो दॅट डे वन चॅपल वॉज नॉक्ड ऑफ हियर. येस. सो तेन्ना म्हाका सिडनीन त्या चॅपला बद्दल सांगलें आनी इट वॉज लास्ट मिनीट. वी डीड नॉट नो वॉट टू डू आनी त्या दिसूच कळ्ळें तें दॅट वॉज ऑलरेडी नॉक्ड ऑफ. सो देन सिडनी सेड दॅट गुळो नीड्स टू बी सेव्ड.
Previously in the back of in previous years. So to have such kind of evidence is what the history can be corroborated. This is a vestige of history which is lying here, which is there present. It tells us about history, what happened in the previous year. So we have to preserve it for posterity. Flyovers will come, but new and old has to work together. And for the people further, for posterity, whoever the future generations, to know what happened 400 years back, this is an evidence. This can be helping them to know and conduct how it can be worked out. It has to be saved. Somehow it should not be threatened, and it is like basically a kind of a piece of history that is lying there, which we have to protect.
Without architect's point, I want to say two things. One is that we are losing so much of history. This is a very tangible piece of history. We can see it, and our future generations should also be able to see it. Let's not lose it. Save it while we can. One more thing that might go in the development of the highway is the Vadakade tree. The Vadakade is actually like a landmark. It's not just a historical landmark. It's our environmental heritage also. So that is another tree also in this area which we need to protect and find a way to basically protect whatever is coming in the way. Even when there is a dead body, we don't just walk over it, right? We have to find ways of skirting it. We give some kind of a dignity to it. All these pieces, trees, monuments like this, they have a dignity, they have an integrity. They have been part of the race that was before us. It has to continue in the future also. We have to find ways to protect.
Upendra for Herald TV.
Watch on Herald TV.